Alright guys, so in this video I will share my personal experience before and after replacing the battery on my iPhone XS. Now I won't do any kind of battery drain test in this video, but if you want me to do one, let me know down in the comments. Now I bought this phone back in 2021 with 83% battery health, and at that time it was giving me around 4.5 hours of screen time, and after 10 months the battery health goes down to 78% with just 3.5 hours or around 3 hours of screen time, which is not good at all. Now I'm a heavy user and I use my smartphone for almost everything, from using social media to writing emails, watching Netflix, making FaceTime calls, using maps, playing games, and my screen time on average is around 7 to 8 hours a day. And to achieve this screen time, I had to charge my phone 2 or sometimes 3 times a day, which is pain, and then I decided to change the battery. Now looking for an original iPhone battery is really hard, especially when you have a lot of options out there, and they do look exactly the same as the original iPhone battery, but most of the times they are not original, and putting a local battery in your expensive iPhone is not a good idea. So one day I was actually going through YouTube Shorts and I saw this guy called Phone Repair Guru, and in one of his short video he do the battery replacement, and he used the MP-centric batteries for almost every iPhone battery replacement he do on his channel. So that's how I came to know about this brand that makes iPhone batteries. Now this video is not sponsored by MP-centrics by any means. I'm just giving you my personal thoughts, and in my opinion it's always good to go with the batteries that are actually made by a company instead of buying a local iPhone battery. So I bought this MP-centrics battery for around 22 bucks and I replaced the battery by myself. It's not that hard, but I messed up with the pull tabs, and that's what happened with the original battery. So here's a quick video that I made during my battery replacement. As you guys can see, that was the old iPhone battery. That's my iPhone XS, and I have put the battery inside it, and that's the new battery that I put in. Now iPhone XS comes with 2600 milliamp hours of battery, but I went with the plus version of the battery, which has more battery capacity of 3000 milliamp hours. So instead of 2600 milliamp hours, my iPhone XS now has 3000 milliamp hours of battery capacity in a same size. So after using my smartphone for a whole day, it is at 2% right now, and I last charged my smartphone yesterday at 7:55 p.m. to 96%, and the screen time that I got, let me show you the screen time real quick. So the screen time that I got is around, it's more than 7 hours. So you can even get more than 7 hours if you don't use your smartphone that much, but getting a 6 to 7 hours of screen time on iPhone XS, I think it's not that bad considering it's an OLED display and it uses a lot of battery. So if you're having battery issues with your iPhone XS or any other iPhone, replacing the battery do make a difference in the screen time, and it definitely worth it. So yeah, that was my experience after replacing the iPhone battery on my iPhone XS. Give this video a thumbs up and I will see you all in the next one. Peace out.